Hello friends, welcome to economics class. The topic for today is national development. We all know that what development is. It means that what we aspire from a nation, what we desire from a nation. So it is a continuous process. Now we are studying what national development is. So there must be a difference between development and national development. National means we are talking about the nation in total. So total development of the nation, that is your national development. Now different persons, we have done in the first part of the chapter that different persons, they could have different as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. What may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may either be destructive for the other person. And in the process of national development, a heavy industry is set up, or we can say that it's all round development of a nation when each and every sector of the economy is developing, whether it is primary, secondary and the tertiary, each and every part of the economy is growing. That becomes your national development, because each and every part of the economy, that is the sectors which I am talking about, they contribute to the GDP of the country, that is gross domestic product, and which we measure by calculating by getting the sum total of the goods and services which are produced in a given period of time by the particular sector. Like if we talk about education, if we talk about health, if we talk about per capita income, that is all national development. Each and every aspect means we are talking about politically, socially, economically, every aspect of the economy should be taken into consideration. That will be your national development. Now, how to compare the different countries? Why do we say that America is a developed country and India is a developing country? There must be a criteria for it. And for measuring countries, their income is to be considered as the criteria. We take income as the criteria, national income as the criteria. But national income, it differs from country to country. Then population also differs from country to country. So how do we find out a common measure which can be taken for all the countries? Supposing if I talk about national income of America, it is greater than that of India. Is it fine? India is having a population larger than that of America. So we take the criteria of per capita income, or which is other name is, that is your average income. So national income, what does it mean? It refers to the market value of all goods and services which are produced in the financial year of a country. और फाइनेंशियल ईयर कौन सा होता है? इट इज़ अ वेरी ईजी वे टू रिमेंबर द फाइनेंशियल ईयर. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1st April एंड एंड्स एट 31st March. 1st April आपका स्कूल का सेशन कब स्टार्ट होता है? अप्रैल में, फर्स्ट और सेकेंड और फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अप्रैल. सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट वे. आपका स्कूल का सेशन स्टार्ट होता है अप्रैल में, एंड होता है मार्च में. सो दैट इज़ योर financial year, because on 31st March all the books of the accounting books, they are closed. So आपको financial year भी पता चल गया. But average income, when we consider it on the basis of the average income, that is your per capita income. And how do we calculate this per capita income? That is your national income divided by population. Why we are taking population? Because population, why we are taking the per capita income? Because the population of the countries vary from country to country. हर country की population same नहीं होती है, इसलिए हम per capita income निकालते हैं. Capita means per person income. Each person, each and every person living in the country is included in it. हम इसमें टाटा बिरलास उनकी इनकम भी ले रहे हैं, एंड वी आर टेकिंग द इनकम ऑफ अ लेबरर ऑल्सो. सो एवरी इनकम इज काउंटेड एंड वी आर टेकिंग द एवरेज ऑफ इट. सो एवरेज इनकम It is the ratio of the total national income of a country with respect to the population. And the average income, it is also called per capita income. And the formula to measure the per capita income is the total income or the national income divided by the total population. But this measure is having certain limitations. अगर हम एवरेज इनकम लेते हैं, most of the people in our country do not disclose the income, then our national income will be wrong. So we will get a per capita income which will be wrong, and as a result we will always be considered as a developing nation. And then there are certain people, those who are not working, कईयों की इनकम बहुत कम है, हम सबको इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं, बट there is an income slab also. So it is hiding the disparities. We do not come to know how many people are rich, how many are the poor. So it hides the disparity of the country. So per capita income or the average income, it may not be a right criteria to measure the different or to compare the different countries. And the another thing is, here we are ignoring the social indicators like education, health. हमने यहाँ पर education और health को कहीं नहीं लिया, हमने सिर्फ income को लिया. So it is ignoring the social indicators which are an indication of the living standard of the people. So this is one way. Since it is having certain limitations, there need to be another method also, which we will be studying or covering in the next class. Thank you.